Hi, today I'll be doing an in-depth review of the BJ1 Plus credit card by Capital One. Whether you're a regular BJ's Wholesale Club shopper or just looking for a rewards card that delivers value, this one might be worth considering. In this review, I'll cover everything you need to know about the card's features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and whether it's really worth it in 2024. Let's dive right in. Let's start with the basics. The BJ1 Plus credit card by Capital One is a rewards card that's specifically designed for BJ's Wholesale Club members. It's a great fit for those who frequently shop at BJ's and want to earn rewards on their purchases. This card comes with several perks that are tailor-made for BJ's shoppers, including high rewards rates and discounts at BJ's Gas. Plus, it has no annual fee, which is a major selling point for many. Now let us talk about the main features of the BJ's One Plus credit card. 5% back on BJ's purchases. If you are a BJ's member, this card offers an amazing 5% cash back on most purchases made at BJ's Wholesale Club. Whether you're shopping for groceries, electronics, or furniture, you'll be earning back a solid chunk of change for your purchases. 2% back on purchases everywhere else. Even if you're not shopping at BJ's, this card still rewards you for every other purchase you make. You earn 2% back on all other purchases, which is pretty generous compared to many other cards that offer just 1%. 15 cents off per gallon at BJ's Gas. A really nice perk for those who frequent BJ's gas station is the 15 cents off per gallon. This can add up over time, especially if you have a longer commute or use a lot of gas. Rewards never expire. Another great benefit is that your rewards never expire. Unlike some other cards where you have to redeem rewards within a specific time frame, you can save them up and use them whenever you're ready. Redemption options. Speaking of rewards, you can redeem them in several convenient ways. You can use them in-club, online at BJ's website, or even through the BJ's mobile app. That flexibility makes it easy to use your rewards exactly how you want. No annual fee. There is no annual fee for this card, which makes it an attractive option for those who don't want to pay extra for the privilege of earning rewards. Now let us talk about the pricing details of the BJ's One Plus credit card. The BJ's One Plus credit card has a variable APR ranging from 19.74 to 29.74%. That's a pretty standard range for a rewards card, but it's something to keep in mind if you tend to carry a balance. One thing to highlight is that there is no balance transfer fee if you're transferring a balance at the regular APR. However, for promotional APR balance transfers, there's a 3% fee on the amount transferred. So if you're thinking about transferring a balance, make sure you're clear on the APR and fees that apply. You'll also have a 25-day grace period before interest is charged on new purchases, provided you pay off your balance in full by the due date. But note that interest on cash advances and balance transfers begins on the transaction date, so it's important to manage those wisely. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using the BJ's One Plus credit card. High rewards rates. 5% back at BJ's and 2% back on everything else is a great deal. If you shop at BJ's often, this card can really rack up some valuable rewards. No annual fee. This is huge. Many rewards cards come with an annual fee, but with the BJ's One Plus credit card, you don't have to worry about that extra cost. Gas discounts. The 15 cents off per gallon at BJ's Gas is a nice bonus that can add up over time. Easy redemption. You can redeem rewards in-store, online, or through the app, giving you flexibility in how you use them. How about the cons of using this card? High APR. The variable APR range of 19.74 to 29.74 is on the higher side, so if you carry a balance, those interest rates could add up quickly. Limited to BJ's shoppers. While this card offers excellent rewards for BJ's purchases, its value is somewhat limited to those who shop there regularly. If you don't shop at BJ's often, you might not get the most out of this card. Balance transfer fee. If you're transferring a balance with a promotional APR, there's a 3% fee which can add up quickly depending on the amount you transfer. So, is the BJ's One Plus credit card worth it in 2024? If you are a BJ's Wholesale Club member and you shop there often, this card can be a great option. The 5% back on BJ's purchases and 2% on everything else is an excellent return, and the gas discount is a nice added perk. Plus, with no annual fee, it's a risk-free option for earning rewards. However, if you don't shop at BJ's regularly or you're not a member, you may want to look for a more general rewards card. Also, if you carry a balance, the high APR could eat into your savings, but for BJ's loyalists, this card is definitely worth considering. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Chase Freedom Flex, Blue Cash Preferred Card from American Express, and City Double Cash Card. To wrap things up, the BJ's One Plus credit card is a solid choice for BJ's members who want to earn rewards on their purchases. If you're not a regular BJ's shopper, though, or if you're not interested in a card that's tied to a specific retailer, one of the alternatives I mentioned might suit you better. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.